Kia ora whānau. Well, in amongst all of the building and stuff going on during the holidays, we've also had some changes around in our classroom. Thought I'd just let you have a little bit of a look at some of the rearrangements and talk through some of the things that we're up to this term, in term 3. So yeah, we've had quite a bit of movement of desks around here, so I thought I'd just show you some different spots. We've got a little smaller group conference area here. Maybe if we had sort of 6 to 8 students working away together, they might want to sit around there. Lots of opportunity on the whiteboard table or the small whiteboard just to jot down thoughts and ideas or workings out. That might just get rubbed out afterwards, but really just helps with that discussion part. Got a nice little comfortable spot here. Might be for those who enjoy sitting down, working on the floor, or maybe they're just having a bit of a discussion or conference or just hanging out together. Nice little spot to meet up with a few students. We've got our tall table here. Again, just a bit of variety in terms of working. Some who like to either stand at a table and work or sit up on those higher chairs. And we've just put up this little bit of a screen here, not to completely block everything off, so it's quite open, but just to allow a little bit of separation, because sometimes, we want to work maybe just by ourselves or in a small group of 2 or 3, and so we've got a few little spots like that at some of these tables here. Again, just another work table, also close to some PowerPoints. In case the Chromebooks that we use a lot begin to run out, they can still keep on working and charge at the same time. This great little spot here, you could sort of split it into 2 areas, but with our high curved table and this conference table here, we could actually have a large group of students, up to maybe about 16, almost half the class, believe it or not, could sit around at that little area. If we needed to use the whiteboard as part of our learning discussion, we could. Otherwise, yeah, just another spot for groups of students to work. So as you can see from our classroom, laid it out for a whole lot of flexibility and learning. And in fact, in this term 3, we're even doing that with our timetable. We're going to have a bit of a flexible timetable in that the students will have certain tasks that they're working on, but will be able to manage themselves quite well and decide when exactly they'll be doing that during the week. So yeah, looking forward to term 3. It's always a bit different when there's no students in the classroom, a bit quiet at the moment, so looking forward to that changing next week as we get together. Hope you've had a great holiday and looking forward to a great term 3 of learning.